Hey guys, be honest for a second. Do your hair look stuck to your head in the mirror? No lift at the roots, crown completely flat, and no matter how much you style it, the volume just disappears. Here's the truth. The problem is not your hair. The problem is your approach. First, let's clear this myth right now. Flat hair is not genetics. In 90% of cases, flat hair happens because of the wrong haircut, the wrong drying technique, and the wrong products. Fix these three things and your volume will come back. Let's start with the haircut. If your hair is cut in a single length, forget about volume. Seriously, tell your barber to add proper layering on top, add texture instead of blunt cuts, remove extra weight from the crown, and keep the front slightly feathered. This helps hair sit on top of each other, which creates natural volume, not fake fluff. Now, the scalp, because an oily scalp is volume's biggest enemy. If your scalp is oily, roots will never lift. Shampoo your hair every 2 to 3 days. Never apply conditioner directly on your scalp. Focus it only on the mid-lengths and ends. Massage your scalp for 30 to 40 seconds while shampooing. A clean scalp equals light roots and instant lift. Now the most important part, drying technique. This is where 70% of your volume is made and where most people mess up. Stop rubbing your hair with a towel. Just press gently to remove water. When your hair is slightly damp, bend your head down and blow dry directly at the roots, not the ends. This alone gives a natural crown lift, without any products. Now the secret weapon, pre-styling products. If you apply product only on dry hair, you're already losing the game. On damp hair, use a sea salt spray or a volumizing spray. Focus it on the roots, then blow dry. The result? Hair that looks thicker and airy, not stiff. Now let's talk about styling products. Heavy wax, gel, or oil is a slow poison for flat hair. Use a matte clay or a lightweight cream pomade instead. Quantity matters, just a little more than a pea size. Rub it in your hands first, then apply from the mid-lengths upward, not directly on the roots, so your volume doesn't collapse. Here's a quick trick. Stop styling your hair in the same direction every day. Switch it up. Try a left part, a right part, or an off-center part. Just changing the direction creates instant visual volume. If you want long-term volume, lifestyle matters. Eat enough protein. Sleep properly. Avoid wearing tight caps or helmets all day. Massage your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. A healthy scalp means strong roots and real volume. Remember, volume is not an overnight miracle. But with the right haircut, drying method, and products, you'll see visible results in just 2 to 3 weeks. See you in the next video.